bought this one, a USB electrical charger, and I'm gonna connect it to the wall. That's the back side of it, and this is the broken one that I need to replace. And the upper part was damaged due to the tenant soaked it up with something and left behind a socket inside. So I can use the bottom one, but with the new type, I can use it for the purpose of charging my cell phone, my camera, my what else it is there, tablets, smartphone, e-readers, and digital cameras. So it's perfect. It has two, and it has 20 volt for 125 voltage. This is a standard receptacles. Okay, I'm gonna go and do it. And the back of it, I just already opened it. This is how it look like. And you also have an instruction that goes with it. So this is the instruction. It's in English and other language. That must be French. Okay, let's go ahead with it, and we'll let you know when it's done.